Þetta verður gaman hjá okkur. Góðan daginn, allan daginn. Góðan daginn, allan daginn. Good day, all day. It is me, Óskar, speak Viking, and I'm out here walking, wearing my signature beanie. So that must mean it's another edition of the vlogging Viking. Welcome to this vlogging Viking on a beautiful Sunday morning. As I was writing an email, ég var að skrifa tölvupóst this morning, I was making a sentence, I was coming to a conclusion, and I wrote, okay, for today's lesson we're gonna do this and this, but don't worry about it, we're gonna have fun with it. Þetta verður gaman hjá okkur. This will be fun with us. And that statement is really something that I've been trying to accomplish in all of my lessons. Every single one since I started doing Icelandic lessons in 2014. Make them fun. Because I don't know what your experience of school was, but my experience of school was that it was horrendously boring. So boring. It was all about rote repetition, endless rote repetition, endurtekningar, endalausar endurtekningar. Og það var leiðinlegt. It was so boring. So terribly boring. And I just remember thinking to myself, þarf þetta að vera svona? Does this have to be like this? I didn't think so. And I don't think so. I don't think it has to be boring. And so my whole philosophy has always been höfum gaman. Let's have fun with it. So I don't approach it in this rote repetition style. I sort of go with the flow of things, and I like to listen to what people are interested in, what their hobbies are, what they're passionate about, and so I like to steer things in that direction. Mig langar að fara þangað. I want to go there. The way I think about it, the way that it makes sense to me is that if somebody is passionate about something, if they're really into something, and then they talk about it in Icelandic, the language that they are learning, then it only makes sense that they're gonna bring that passion and excitement into the Icelandic learning as well. And so the two things feed off each other. Yo. Akkurat. Exactly. Akkurat. Exactly. I think that makes sense. What about you? Do you think that makes sense? Having fun with it, að hafa gaman, also means that there is sort of a space made in the learning environment to make mistakes, that it's okay to make mistakes. I like that. I think that's good. And that engenders more fun in the learning process. Það meira gaman þannig. There's more fun that way. Gotta go over here. Can't get through here, so gotta go and walk over here. It is starting to rain a little bit. Það að koma smá rigning hérna núna. But basically my input and advice to you is to say that by whatever means necessary, implement fun in your learning. You can learn jokes in Icelandic, or you can make your language learning revolve around the hobbies and passions and things that excite you, and you can be okay with making mistakes, because the aim is not first and foremost to force yourself to learn the language. It is to enjoy and have fun with the process of learning the language. And speaking from a personal standpoint, the way that I learned English, ég lærði ensku simply by watching the TV shows that I was interested in on TV, and I wasn't even aware that I was learning English until much later. I thought I was just watching TV, whether that was George Clooney on ER, or The Simpsons, or Spider-Man, and then later on it was comic books, and then I got interested in writing myself, so I started writing in English. It was all from a standpoint of just having fun with it. Þetta gaman. This is fun. And I think that's how it should be. Anyways, this was vlogging Viking. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Takk fyrir og bless. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button to let other people know about this amazing channel. Thank you.